Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the wireless capability is turned off error on Windows. If you're having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi because your wireless feature is disabled, we will walk you through how to turn it back on and restore your internet connection. Let's get started. The first thing to try is the diagnostic tool. Simply click the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar. You can find it in the lower right corner of your screen. Right-click it and select Troubleshoot Problems. This will automatically try to find and fix the issue for you. If that does not work, you can also run a network test. It will check your Wi-Fi and try to resolve the problem. Once this is done, your connection may already be restored. Another option is to restart your wireless adapter. You can do this by clicking the Restart Adapter option. This is simply turning the Wi-Fi off and then back on again. Restarting the adapter can often fix the issue. We also recommend trying to restart your modem, router, or access point. Sometimes the problem is just a small glitch in your modem or router, and a restart is all it takes. Next, we will check your network settings. Go to your network and sharing settings by right-clicking the Wi-Fi icon again. Then open Network Settings. Once you are there, check if Wi-Fi is turned off. If it is, turn it back on. Then go to your Advanced Network Settings. Check if the adapter is disabled. If it is, enable it from the Network Settings. After turning it on, go ahead and restart your computer. Your network error should now be fixed. And that's it. We have successfully resolved the wireless capability is turned off error on Windows. Your Wi-Fi should now be working, and you can get back online.